I don't see any. Working on winter, shining on summer. I ain't no beginner, you scared to take it to the head. Yeah, yeah.
Ain't nothing to it. Real one. Ain't nothing to it. Boss. Ain't nothing to it. Real one. Ain't nothing.
Welcome back. Welcome back, y'all, to another slayage video. Like, I'm coming back to back with these videos. I am not playing no games this month because last month I was playing the games. This month I'm not playing the games because I will be gone for a little bit of time for healing. So I definitely have to get these videos out there. I tried to do my baby hairs, but that was a fail. My mama isn't here, so these are the generic versions of hers. So anyways, y'all want to see this look. I did use Jlarue products, but Morphe had me effed up in this video. I'm sorry, they had me effed up with the foundation, like, and I'm pretty sure I knew that when I was trying the foundations on the store, and they had me picked up then. But I wanted to give them a try on camera and mix some together to see if it was, like, you know, it. But baby, you gotta keep watching to see it. You gotta keep watching. Anyways, I don't want to keep y'all long. I know y'all want to see this beautiful look. This is a Valentine's Day look. Then keep on watching. I already took my base number 5 in the Plouise Base, and I just let it set for a little bit so it semi-dried a little bit. Now I'm about to take my 39.8 and I'm about to go in. I was thinking about going in with this color, but I'm trying to keep the look as soft as possible, so I'm still gonna go in with this color right here, 67 from Morphe, and I'm just gonna pack that on the outer V. Try to pack it on so you won't get none on the lid, because this is not gonna be a cut crease. I was gonna do a cut crease, but no, I don't feel like it today. So we're just gonna pack that on the lid, but make sure you don't get any on the lid area.
That you used to go up on Mulholland Drive and park every night and visualize seeing yourself as.
Yeah, I would visualize.
This is when you were broke and poor.
Right, having directors interested in me and people that I respected saying, you know, I like your work.
Take this color right here. I don't know the names of these colors, but I'm gonna take this one on a MAC 221 brush, and then I think I'm gonna go in with this lighter brown.
Well, I do have these things. They're out there. I just don't have a hold of them yet, but they're out there. I wrote myself a check for $10 million for acting services rendered, and I gave myself 5 years, or 3 years maybe, and I dated it Thanksgiving 1995. Just before Thanksgiving 1995, I found out that I was going to make $10 million in dollars.
Go in with this shade right here, and we're gonna smoke it out. It's gonna be our last shade, y'all. to take my Kiss This Whole Ass palette, and I'm about to take Snow Bunny. To put this plum color out of the Morphe palette. I guess we just stick with this one. And I'm gonna put it on the end.
You used to go up on Mulholland Drive and park
every night.
and visualize seeing yourself as.
Yeah, I would visualize.
This is when you were broken poor.
Right, having directors interested in me and people that I respected saying, I like your work or whatever that is, and I would visualize things coming to me.
Let's take my Jlarue pigments in the shade White Gold, and also in the shade
I just don't have a hold of them yet, but they're out there.
Heavenly.
I gave myself a check for $10 million for acting services rendered, and I gave myself 5 years, or 3 years maybe, and I dated it Thanksgiving 1995. Just before Thanksgiving 1995, I found out that I was going to make $10 million.
Take some lashes from my lash line. I'm going to be trying the new Morphe foundations. I got like 3 because I do not even know. They didn't even know my damn shade. I don't know my shade. So, and this concealer and also the powders. But I am going to be going into my pores. No more from Dr. Branded instead of Bandit. Because somebody was like, it's not Bandit, it's Branded. It's Dr. Bandit shit. The shades that I have over here are 5 480, which was matte, which was great on me, and I have F560 and F580. I don't know, like they like, I think that's a go. F80 and those together. Love the coverage though. I'm not gonna lie about that. The coverage is nice. It dries down matte. It's full coverage. Full color if I was this color though, but I look great. Morphe foundation got me fucked up. Okay, like literally. Like my hand, it's like a contour color. You see how it's oxidizing? It looks so great. Like no, I ain't the same color, and this look gray as fuck. With my crayon case highlighter to highlight with. Alright, so I'm gonna bronze with the same bronzer. I use the same stuff all the time. It's Hidden Pan. So that was a lot. I need to go get some more actually. Brush that I'm using is a Morphe E4 brush. This blush right here is called MUA. Oh, it's out of the Morphe Blush palette. I'm to go into my Kylie Cosmetics liquid lipstick, and this is the Soulmate set.
Things coming to me that I wanted or whatever. Drive home and think, well, I do have these things. They're out there. I just don't have a hold of them yet, but they're out there. I wrote myself a check for $10 million for acting services rendered, and I gave myself 5 years, or 3 years maybe, and I dated it Thanksgiving 1995. just before Thanksgiving 1995, I found out that I was going to make $10 million.
Just want to tight line that lower lash line. Not blow it out, just tight line it. Here at the bottom. Lashes, I'm just gonna keep it just like it is. I was gonna put some, but I wanted to make it simple. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to do the rest of my brows off camera, do my edges, and I'm gonna come back with the final look. Thank you guys so much for tuning into this tutorial. Yes, baby, we slayed today. Don't forget to press that bell button and subscribe to the channel. We are so close. Like, we are so close. Like, I don't know why it's taking so long to get to 200K. Like, what? Y'all don't want me to make it. But it's taking so long, but we're almost there. So don't forget to press that bell button and subscribe to the channel. Also, don't forget to share my videos, rate and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next slate tutorial.